Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going on a quick why I go in my dining room and there's a gummy bear on here. Anyway, we are going to a date night. I know you probably can't see me, the lighting is not the greatest. Oh, it's like golden light. We are on our way to our favorite place and I'm just wearing my Walmart top. I'm gonna flip you guys around. Hold on. And this is what I'm wearing tonight. Not these slippers, don't worry. Just this Walmart top and these black ripped jeans. And this hair is Wiggins hair. It's like older. I had it last year, but I straightened it. And this time I just kind of have been wearing a curly for like the past week. But it looks super cute. So yeah. So we are going out and we're gonna go eat something and have a few libations. And yeah, talk to you guys later. I'll see you when we get there. I'm good. I'm good. Say hi. Uh-huh. This is the camera, honey. This is the camera. Say hello. Wave hi. Your hair smells good. Okay. They don't need you to touch the camera. You gonna say something? Because I said, did you remember your jacket? It would have just been sitting here. Guys, we're on our way to the pumpkin patch, and my husband left his jacket on top of the car. So we're halfway down the street, and I'm like, babe, do you have the jacket? He's like, nope, sure don't. So then we drive back and we're thinking it's on the street and it's literally in the driveway right before we leave. They thought it was smart. If it wasn't for me, you would have thought about that jacket.
I would have just not the same time. No, they so.
If there's no, then I wouldn't have been. Thanks for reminding me, babe. All right. We're at the pumpkin.
We definitely got to go through that.
Through the maze? Yeah, no. Hi guys. So we are at the pumpkin patch today. We are. Oh, that's so cute. Niece had a competition today, and she doesn't know how she did. Okay, Jonathan wants to say hi. Stink, say hello. You say hi? You just talking? Okay. Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you in a minute. Going on a hayride. Your first one, Stink?
Oh, yeah, Russell, Ohio State one.
You got lipstick on you now? Stop.
It is like embarrassing.
Which one do you
Look at how he's looking at me though. Look how he's looking at me. Don't look at me like that, Stink.
This one?
Hey,
Okay.
Ride. Say hey.
You look all the way
It's been like
there.
3 months since we've been together. I definitely You're gonna vlog. Definitely am. I really am.
I watched the other one.
Yeah.
You said you going on a hayride.
I did. I did.
She's gonna vlog it.
What happened? All right, so we're on the hayride, guys. Jonathan left me because his dad was holding another baby. Yeah. So he gets jealous, and he's like, "No, Daddy, you gotta hold me." So now, that's Niece. Say hey, Niece. Hey, guys. You don't care. Say hi, handsome.
Take them
No. Jonathan, just leave the hay there, sir. Don't put that in your mouth. Come on, guys. So we buy the animals, but they really don't smell good. Ooh.
This is like the worst I smelled. Oh my god.
I wish I could come through and let you know. Oh, you smell, there's cows over there.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why it smells so bad, but we got cows. Let me show you guys what we see. Hold up. Guys, I don't wear sheepskin coats, but this feels gross. Oh god.
Babe, you gotta grab it.
Oh, I don't want to grab it.
Like this.
It feels rough. Like he needs to get washed.
It feels like a blanket.
Feels like he needs to get washed. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. He needs to get washed. This one guy's tearing his hay up. This guy right there. He's hungry. He's hungry. Well, that's kind of scary. Hoodie on, looks cool. Baby with you, daddy. Jonathan's pumpkin is as big as he is.
You eat gourd. You should have one. Yeah.
You like that thing? You like these? They feel weird?
Picking up dirt. Thank you. You put it back on it for a pumpkin. Dirt fell off the pumpkin. He picked it up and put it back on the pumpkin.